We will study numerical example corresponding to wrench. This one is robot hand, this one is apple. It is holding an apple. There are three frames. This one is A frame, this one is XA, ZA, Y is here. So this is A frame. XH, YH, Z is here. It is H frame. And this one XF, YF, this is F frame. This length is L1. This length point, this point to this point, it is L2. L1 is 10 centimeter, L2 is 15 centimeter. Mass of apple is 0.1 kilogram. Mass of the hand, this one, this is 0.5 kilogram. A robot holding an apple subject to gravity. So this way, gravity is this way. Gravity acceleration G is 10 meter per second square downward. So our question, what is the force and torque measured by the 6-axis force torque sensor between the hand and the robot arm? We define frames F, this one, at the force torque sensor, H at the center of the mass of the hand, this one. Yeah, this is the center of mass of the hand, this one and this system. And A at the center of mass of the apple. Suppose the center of mass of this apple is here. So we are considering this reference frame Z, this one reference frame here, A reference frame here. Now, according to the coordinate axis in figure 3.22, this is link, this is robot hand, this one is link, this one and this one as a robot hand and this apple. The gravitational wrench on the hand in H is given by the column vector, this one, that is wrench, that is torque and force, but in H frame. But the frame is H is this here, and the wrench of the hand center of mass is here. So weight of the hand acting on the center of mass in this direction. So no torque is there because the reference point is here. If the force passes through the reference point, suppose this one is pivot. Suppose I am applying force here, it will rotate. But I am applying here force, it will not rotate. If the line of action of force passes through the reference point, it does not create any torque. Suppose I am applying force here, then also it will not rotate exactly because it passes through the center of mass, reference frame, pivot. So it will not create torque. Force is there but torque is not. So due to torque due to weight of the hand, and weight of the center of mass of the hand is here. So earth pulls in this direction, and this force passes the center of mass of the hand. So it does not create torque. So first three element shows torque, and the rest three element is force. So force is 0.5 kilogram, mass of the hand is 0.5 kilogram. So M into Z, Z is 10. So it is 5 Newton, but it is in this direction, negative Y direction. So X0, Y minus 5, Z0. Now, and the gravitational wrench on the apple in A frame, that is torque and force due to apple in this reference frame. So center of mass, and we know that gravitational pull is at the center of mass. So weight force passes through the center of mass, axis, origin of the axis. So it is also not creating torque in this frame. So 0, 0, 0. First three elements shows torque. But weight is in this direction. It is Z coordinate, Z axis. So weight is in positive Z direction. But what is weight of the apple? Apple, the mass of the apple is 0.1. So M into Z is called weight. So 0.1 into 10, that is 1 Newton. So it is 0, 0, 1 Newton. These three component torque. But according to reference frame chosen, no torque. Here also no torque. According to this reference frame, given L1 is 10 centimeter, from this point to this point, it is distance L1 10 centimeter. This point to this point, it is L2 15 centimeter. The transformation matrices THF and TAF. So transformation of F in H, transformation of F in H. So this one is F and this one is H. So they are called same, X, Y same. So for this, rotation matrix is identity matrix, THF. For THF, rotation matrix is identity matrix. So I have replaced 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This one, THF. This is the position of origin. So with respect to F, F representing H frame. So H is base frame. So with respect to H, F is here. So it is at a distance of minus 10 centimeter. So minus 0.1 meter is there. That is origin of this in this frame, H frame. It is here. So minus 0.100. What about TAF? This one. So representation of this F with respect to A. Represent a transformation matrix of F with respect to A. So A is this. This one is, red one is X according to figure data. This one is Z and this one is Y. This is A frame, X, Z, Y. But what about F? F1. So if we rotate this way, Z to Y, this way, Z to Y, this one, it becomes F. So Z to Y, so Rx, it is rotating about X axis, but Z to Y, so minus 90, Y to Z, then plus 90. So for TAF, rotation matrix is Rx minus 90. So 1 0 0 0 cos of minus 90, it is the formula, minus sine of minus 90, and 0 sine of minus 90, cos of minus 90. But cos 90 is 0, cos of minus 90 is also 0. This one is 0. Sine of minus 90 is minus sine 90. So minus minus plus sine 90. So it is 1 plus 1. So see here, 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 plus 1. And it is 0. Sine of minus 90 is minus sine 90. So it is a minus 1. So here minus 1. And cos of minus 90 is 0. This is rotation matrix for transformation of F in A frame. Transformation matrix of F in A frame. So with respect to A, it is, if you rotate this frame, Z to Y around X axis this way. It is this, Z here, X here, Y coming out of board normally. And if you rotate Z to Y 90 degree, it aligns with this frame. So Rx minus 90. Now THF is this. TAF, we have studied the rotation matrix and the position of origin, this one. TAF, this one. So transform matrix of F with respect to A. So considering this base reference frame, the origin of F is this one, 15 plus 10. So at a 25 centimeter distance from this way along negative x axis. So this one minus 0.25, it lies on x axis, so y and z 0. But according to mass it is 1. So this is TAF. So the range is torque force measured by the 6-axis force torque sensor is a range in F frame is adjoint representation of transformation matrix THF transpose into range in H plus adjoint representation of transformation matrix TAF transpose into a range in A. So if we put all these values, adjoint representation of transformation matrix for any matrix is given by R0 PRR. It's a 6 element. So we have all the value known, R, P, etc. So we can calculate. So calculate yourself this one and this one. We will get 0, 0, minus 0.5, 0, minus 5, 0. 6 elements are there. This one, first 3 are represent torque, and the rest 3 represent force. This one 0, 0, minus 0.25, 0, minus 1, 0, transpose. So if we add simple, just like a vector, so 0, 0, this and this addition minus 0.75, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 5 plus minus 1 is minus 6, 0. Transpose this one. Calculate yourself this one. Okay.